Okay, so something I want to talk about, which is very important for all the VCs, let me just say ES and VCs Peugeot engine. Okay, not all ES engines. Talking about ES9J, 4S, and ES9A. So, if you're already a user, you understand that these engines are known for misfire, occasional misfire every now and then. Sometimes it could take a very long time. I've done videos on what you need to do to prevent some of these unnecessary misfires. It can prolong it from happening, so however, one of the things that could cause it, which I don't think remember if I've done a video of that or mentioned, is the ignition coil connector. So I'm talking about something like this. This is a connector for the ignition coil. Remember, this engine um, has individual ignition coil for each cylinder. So this is what it looks like. So though this is not actually the one removed from ES mission coil, but it looks like this, which is as you can see, basically same. So what usually happens is over time, you can see it's a two wire connector. So when you look at inside, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. You can see those two holes where the pins from the ignition coil slots into. So over time, that space will start to shift to a point that the ignition coil will no longer the pin inside. Okay, let me show you. I think I want to show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so when you look, this is ignition coil, right? This is the spare one I have. So when you look inside very well, you will see, I don't know if this video is showing that, you see two that looks like pins inside here. So what will now happen is they are supposed the connector, the grip inside is supposed to grip on those pins. Let's just call them pins and grip on them so that it hold them firmly. But over time, they will start giving way to the point that you won't be able to grip on those things anymore firmly. So there are some times that you might have a misfire issue. You change your spark plug, do this, whatever you want to do, to connect this thing back, and the misfire will go away once you restart the car. Only for you to drive few kilometers and then it's back. And when you scan, it's still showing you that same cylinder. Most times the issue is from here. So because you can no longer grip on it, and it can be hard to make it come back, to push back. I don't know what to call those things or name to give it, but if you understand what I mean. So it might be hard to press it so that I can grip on those pins from the coil to prevent the misfire. So the ideal thing is to change the connector. So unfortunately, these connectors, especially these ones, the ones that powers the ignition coil, this connector, those wires are thicker than this one. You can see this one is the wires behind it a little bit thinner, while these ones are much thicker. So it can be hard to get a new connector with this thick wire. Don't get me wrong, these connectors are online, new ones, which I prefer to used ones, because the problem with the used ones is it's just a question of time. But probably it has also started having the same issue with the one you want to change. So most times it's just better to go for a new one. But it doesn't mean that I could get a used one that will not serve if it hasn't done that, have that issue. So sometimes you might be lucky. When you look at it, you could tell the one that is still tight enough. So, but I prefer new. But unfortunately, the new ones I've seen so far online, the wires are not too thick. So what that means is it might not, the voltage current might be passing to the coil might not be enough all the time. So like if you go on AliExpress, you see this, they are just there. You can buy as many as you want. They're not too expensive. Expensive but not too expensive. The point you can like for an AliExpress, it costs you close to about 1,000 plus just for one connector. So that's what I mean. Expensive but expensive. So but unfortunately as well, it's still not that thick as this, the wires behind. So what I do on the interim is what I'm going to show here. So what I usually do sometimes, I'll get a flexible wire, cut it off, put those wires between inside those holes, and it will solve the problem. But just that it's very dangerous, because if you put these wires here and the two of them touch each other, yes, positive, negative. If for any reason when you do that and they touch each other for some reasons, yeah, it's most likely might damage your engine ECU. This is no joke. I'm not playing around. It most likely will damage your engine ECU if that happens. So that's why I say it's very risky. So I'm not recommending it. I'm doing it even on my own cars or some people's cars, but I always let them know, at least on the interim. So like I said, let me show you one of the ones I did here. Now you can see it here. You can see. So once you do that, and truly if the problem is from here, you see the misfire will go away. You hardly have that issue for a very long time. But like I said, you can see the way I did it. You know, I have to slot it inside them, clip it. But like I said, if for any reason those wires touch each other, maybe even though you are aware of this and your mechanic is not aware, and then you now pulled it out, and for some reasons you now made two of them now joined, then you know somehow, man, you would rather have the misfire issue than have to deal with the ECU replacement. So that's what I'm saying. On the interim, yeah, you know, for me, I can do it on my car since I'm basically the one doing all the repairs, except when sometimes I give people that I supervise, depending on how strenuous the work is. So, but still stuff like this, I handle them myself. So, but if I'm doing it for you, I always tell you, see, this is it. So don't, if you are giving your car to any other technician to work on, always tell them this thing. Or you just go ahead and, for example, you could do it to rule it out. When you put it, drive it for a few days, and once you're sure the misfire is no longer coming back, then you can change the connector, even if it's used one. You cut it off and you know, put another one. Hopefully that one will not have that problem. I'm still on the fence to order those new ones on AliExpress, at least for my own cars. I don't know. You know, my concern is, since the wires are not thick enough, will they not cause their own misfire issue over time, or cause the wires to melt? So I don't know. Because it's supposed to pass voltage. This wire is supposed to handle more voltage more than this particular one that are smaller. So that's the issue. But I don't want to point it out so that you should know if you're having a misfire issue. It's one of the causes. One of the components. Okay. So one of the reasons or causes of this misfire on this engine. Of course, you can remember, though this particular car hadn't caused it anyway. This is Delphi. I can see it here, written Delphi. Hadn't caused it. This type with white top, they hardly fail. I'm not saying they cannot, but they hardly the cause. Fuel injector, dead one or dirty one can do that. Spark plug, dead one or dirty one can do that. Leaky manifold, if your manifold, intake manifold gasket is leaking, can also do that. You know, excess carbon in your combustion chamber, yeah, could cause that. So once in a while, you know. So, but also this spark plug connector can do that too. So the only way to find out what is causing it when you scan the vehicle, most especially with BP2000. There are some faults. The finisher you see there, it's most likely your connector. Like one of them is you can see. Yeah, well done. I'm fine. Yeah, same to you. Good morning. Yes, sir. So so you could see misfire or no cylinder one, ignition, what's it called? Cylinder one, no ignition coil, cylinder one, electrical circuit control or something like that. Misfire on cylinder this, it won't tell you it's ignition coil, though it might say ignition coil, control circuit, something like that, but it doesn't necessarily mean the coil actually, but it still is pointing at that cylinder. So this type of thing can cause that too. So now you are aware of what can do that. So just wanted to let you know in case you're having such issues. All right.